Shocking terror strike rocked London just outside UK Parliament and on Westminster Bridge. 5 persons, including a policeman and an attacker, are dead in the attack, with at least 40 persons injured. The attacker was shot and killed by the police. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President Pranab Mukherjee and world leaders unanimously condemned the suspected terror attack in the heart of London, with many saying they stand with Britain. British Prime Minister Theresa May responded to the appalling incident by saying her thoughts are with those killed and injured and with their families. UK Mayor Sadiq Khan said Londoners will not be cowed by terrorists. Politics in Tamil Nadu heats up as Election Commission gives symbols to both Sasikala and OPS camps. DMK's no confidence motion against TN Speaker defeated by voice vote. Doctors continue strike in Maharashtra despite government warnings. Delhi doctors go on mass leave, showing solidarity with Maharashtra colleagues in protest against increasing assaults on medical fraternity. Cabinet has approved amendment of the Customs and Excise Act relating to abolition of cesses and surcharges on various goods and services to facilitate implementation of GST regime. The CCEA has given its approval for development of 403 kilometers of national highways in Meghalaya and Mizoram. Out of the 403 kilometers, about 52 kilometers will be in Meghalaya and 351 kilometers in Mizoram. Union Cabinet has approved setting up of a new commission for socially educationally backward classes as a constitutional body. Official sources say that a constitutional amendment bill on this issue will soon be introduced in Parliament. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will dedicate to the nation India's longest road tunnel built on the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, which will cut short the distance between Jammu and Srinagar by nearly 30 kilometers. The tunnel will be the first in India to be equipped with world-class integrated tunnel control system. Railways to launch new Vikalp scheme from April 1. Waitlisted tickets can now be transferred as confirmed tickets in other trains in the same route without any extra cost. Supreme Court bench today asked all parties to file their respective written submissions within 2 weeks in the Ayodhya dispute case. The Supreme Court will resume hearing in this case after 2 weeks. Entire nation is paying tributes to freedom fighters Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev on their 86th martyrdom day today. On this day in 1931, British rulers had executed them in Lahore for their revolutionary activities against British rule. India gets its first medal in the International Shooting Sports Federation World Cup in Mexico. Ankur Mithal wins the gold in the men's double trap event.